Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the My Home Security Camera 360, and this was recently released by My with some other products, but this I found very nice and really very helpful tech. So I bought it, and now let's have a look at it and unbox it. What all you get in this. So here is the box first. Let's have a look at it and then we'll remove it. So as you guys can see, the My branding, innovation for everyone. My Home Security Camera 360. It records at 1080 pixels. It has also got AI motion detection alert, and it has high definition video, infrared night vision, and talkback feature. So over here it says the same My Home Security, and as you guys can see, here is the 360 and all the manufacturing and the what all it contains is written. So as you guys can see, the price for this is 2,900 rupees. That's it, nothing else. Now let's unbox it. So over here you get the user manual, how to set it up and all. Second is you get this fitting so that you can attach it. So that you can attach it to the wall wherever you want to, and you get a charging brick and a power cable which has a micro USB. So let's keep this aside and let's see what else we get. So I think here is the main product. So here is the main product. That's how you get it in the back. So this is the camera. It records at 1080, and here is that's how you attach it over here. And on this side here is the power cable, and if you want to reset this and connect it again over here, you can get that. This camera rotates in 360 like this or like that, anyway however you want to. And it this camera also goes up and down for any angle which you want and have a look at it. It has online where you can sit at anywhere in the place or any part of the world and have a look at it at your home. You can have an eye. And inside over here, when you just set it up this camera, there is a slot where you can insert the micro SD card where all the videos will be recorded in it, so that you can have a look at it later, or when if you need it if anything happens at your place as a proof. And it also has an AI motion detection where you already right over here, like whenever someone passes by or as the camera detects any motion in front of it, it will record only that part, so as it will save your memory also. So that's all guys for the My Home Security Camera 360 unboxing. I'll try to make another video of setting it up. So let me know how you feel about this camera and what are your views if you have already used. So let me know in the comment section below, and see you soon in the next video guys. Thank you.